Howdy, y'all. This is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Skye of Turtle Creek, and this is their 3-bedroom. The 3 bedrooms are very, very similar. There's actually 3 plans, and I just wanted you to see what it looks like. They've got some nice updating. This is a really cute kitchen, don't you think? It's very pretty, beautiful granite countertops look very nice. I love the backsplash. This is gorgeous. And then you've got this really nice open area with a very large patio balcony. It's big. This is beautiful. It's been updated, so it's got a really nice floor here to it. And it's pretty easy because it's got over here one of the bedrooms. And then that one has its own bathroom. And then there's 2 bedrooms over here, and they're super cute. They're really big. And then they've got this bathroom over here that has that walk-in shower. So this is what it looks like here at the Skye of Turtle Creek. It's a really pretty floor plan. It's perfect for three people. So 3 girls, 3 guys. It's a great roommate floor plan, and the price is usually very, very nice on this. So tell me what you think about this. Either like the video on here. I'd love for you to like the video, but also send me a text. Just go, hey Grant, I really like what I'm seeing. Would you get me a little bit more information about this beautiful apartment that's here? So can't wait to hear from you. Now we're gonna do a detailed walkthrough. So if you've liked what you've seen, hang loose because we're gonna do detailed walkthrough of this, and so you can see even more of the features. So those are coming up right now.